yesterday, tested my level, got a nice bearish engulfing, sucking me in short here and blowing me out in bubbles. Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. It's Wednesday, 4 September 2024. Today I'll be trading long on the New Zealand, the Swiss and the yen, and short on the Aussie, the Euro and the US dollar. Let's kick off with the dollar index. It's really retracing, almost retested that level there and now giving up last night. You can see there yesterday a little bit of a high wave candle showing us the market's a bit directionless, not sure where they want to go further or do they want to reverse. So the high wave candle just shows us confusion, and at this stage the market I think is a little bit confused of direction because we've got some very strong bull runs over the last few days in a very strong bear trend. So I think traders are a little bit nervous, but at this stage, well, it is reversing. We'll see tomorrow morning if we get a solid reversal. I can see the dollar under pressure this morning already. With the dollar weakening last night slightly, we saw yesterday the long lower shadow on gold, and gold retesting on the daily chart was a very nice long lower shadow. So market still having support. Although if you look at the 4-hour chart, it gave a very big sell-off. And the worrisome part is the black candles are big and the white candles are a bit smallish. That's never good news for any bullishness. But I'll focus on the daily charts here. We got the longs here at 2500, slightly underwater, but stop loss down here. Unfortunately, not what I exactly had in mind here, but we're still holding. We did retest yet again, and it's now almost 3 weeks where gold is holding the all-time high, which is rare. Usually it spikes through, move 50 or 60 or 70 dollars, and then just fade back into or below to the previous all-time high. This time around it's holding strong but very sideways, so I've got mixed feelings. I'm very bullish but also got mixed feelings. As long as the dollar can stay weak, you can see the dollar stays weak here for me on the intraday. If I look at the dollar index charts, the medium term, long term, short term, intraday, everything is absolutely bearish on the dollar. So I think the run is over. So with the dollar now potentially rolling over, I think gold can fly up the page. Bitcoin still under pressure, whole crypto space under pressure. I see this morning a little bit of a push upwards, but really no support, nothing to get excited about at this stage. Trend, you can see clearly is bearish on the short-term side. So I'm really just sitting and watching and not doing anything on cryptos at present. I'll just do my monthly dollar averaging purchases and that's it. So nothing for now on cryptos and no good news at present. Can't say that we're going to see a run. Eurocat, the sad part, yesterday tested my level, got a nice bearish engulfing, sucking me in short here and blowing me out in bubbles yesterday. So unfortunately a losing trade for me. Perfect setup. I loved the trade. There was nothing wrong with the setup. It's just one of those things where news came and blasted our trade and gave us a little bit euro strength. Because the euro was so weak, I was really convinced in the short, and the test was there at structure between 50 and 61%. Sucked me in, blow me out in bubbles, so I'm out of this trade. Sorry for this one. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. In the Aussie CAD, with the Aussie, it had all the sparkle there last week, and this week it's bottom of the pile here. So I would love to be short. I see a very nice strong support level coming in. I was looking at the Aussie US earlier, but the levels was a bit iffish, wasn't very clear. So I'm glad to see that the Aussie CAD is giving me absolute clear setup on the cross. So the retracement back to the 50 or 61% level, right at structure. Look at the structure here, support, 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 support. That could become resistance if it hits that level. Trend is just turning bearish here, and with the CAD neutral, I'm not after the CAD, but I'm after the Aussie short, and shorting this will give me that. Then the Aussie Swiss, similar scenario, nice swing down the page, which confirms price action, trend changing. Right at structure here, 50 to 61% level, we got the structure. If we look at the Aussie, bottom of the pile, Swiss, absolutely all the sparkle. I love to be short here because that'll give me the long on the Swiss and a short on the Aussie. So I'm really going to watch this thing like a hawk over the next 2 days, providing the RS stays in this manner here. So then the pound Aussie running up the page, strong reversal, very long sideways move here, nice double bottom coming in here, or let's call it an ABC, strong break of the structure here. So retest here would be absolutely stunning. If we look at the pound neutral, not after that, but I'm after the Aussie short. You can see the whole theme for today is to find Aussie shorts. And if I can get this Aussie pound, if I can get this to come back down here, going long here, will give me that Aussie short. So I'm waiting for the retracement back to this 50-61% right at structure here. Look at that beautiful level, structure there again. So the retest after the ABC or sort of double bottom scenario here, that would be first price for me. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risks, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.